up, pancakes eaters, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm doing a tutorial for how to upload videos and thumbnails. So what you want to do is, for the thumbnails, you go to the Play Store and then search. What I use is Pixlr. Search up like a photo editor. Pixlr. I use this one. I already installed it. Right, then when you install it, you open it. Then you already know what video you're gonna do, right? And then you can either click on camera or you can click on photos to pick a photo. But I'm gonna just do camera, and I'm gonna just take a picture of the carpet. Boom. Yes. Don't do it upright. Do it sideways. So I just edit it. Just a bunch of options here. Say here's texts. Chicken. Chick. There. Next. Boom. Change the cutter. Boom. Stuff. Yes. Chick. It says chick. Then there's these things. There's stickers. There's colors, different fonts, I guess. So you can brighten it, darken it, pixel it, doodle it, pixelate, pixels. You can make the cells bigger or smaller. Then you can doodle. Say, change the color right there. Yeah. Boom. You can also brighten it. You can make it lighter. Intensity, a bunch. Boom. I don't care. That's light right there. Look, now it looks like it's daytime now. Boom. Then there's a bunch of stuff right here. You'll figure it out. Then you click done. Save image, and then click medium, not max. Click medium. Click OK. It's saving. It's done. Click the X. Click back. Then you get out of that. And then if you want to edit a video, you can install KineMaster. That's what I use. KineMaster. It's this one. I'm not gonna show you in this video how to edit. But then when you're done with that, just click this button on the top that looks like a camera. You can either pick a video, which the videos are blurred out, and then, or you can click record on the top, on the left. Click that. I'm gonna just record a random. Okay, I'm back. I just picked one I already uploaded, so I'm gonna just name it. Don't click. Don't click. You can't see the text for some reason. Then you put your description. Hi. Hi. Don't click. Boom. Then you can choose the privacy, public, unlisted, or private. Private, only you can view, nobody else. Unlisted, you can give the link to people and only them can see it. And then public, anyone can look at it. You can put the location, but I normally don't put the location. Then click the little blue airplane at the right top corner, and then it's uploading. And then when you wanna put the thumbnail, you install an app called YouTube Studio. I'll show you. Play Store, YouTube Studio. That the notification sounds of the video uploading. Then you click on YouTube Studio and you install it. Then you open it, and then you click on the video you're uploading. So wait, it loads. Then when you click on the video, you click the edit button. Then here's all the stuff. You can add tags if you want. Say add clickbait or something. I don't know. Clickbait, comma space chicken, comma space parakeets, comma, and then you can click edit thumbnail, click custom thumbnail, and then click on the one you made. So yep, okay, I'm gonna put it like that. I'm gonna click select, and then boom, it's done. You can go to advanced settings and change the category to entertainment or whatever you want it to. Then when you're done, you just click save. Boom, and then it's saved. So that's basically all. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.